we are going to see about the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is another type of displacement reaction. It is a reaction in which acid and base both reacts to form a salt as well as water. This is the neutralization reaction. It is called a neutralization reaction because both acid and base neutralize with each other. Let us see an example. See here, reaction of sodium hydroxide with HCl is an example of this neutralization reaction. Here, sodium displaces hydrogen from hydrogen chloride and produces soluble compound sodium chloride plus water. This sodium hydroxide is a base. HCl is an acid. So, both acid as well as base reacts to form salt as well as water. So this is one of the example for neutralization reaction. One more example we can see now. This is HNO3 nitric acid. This is ammonium hydroxide. So this one is acid and this one is base. Both react to form a ammonium nitrate salt as well as water. So this is acid, this is base. Both react to form a salt as well as water. This is the neutralization reaction. Once again I repeat, neutralization means both acid as well as base react to form salt as well as water. This is the neutralization reaction, right? Now we will say about the precipitation reaction. When aqueous solutions of two compounds are mixed, they react to form an insoluble compound as well as soluble compound. This is the precipitation reaction. Let me see an example now. Here we have to balance the equation. Okay, now when an aqueous solution of lead 2 nitrate, this one is lead 2 nitrate, an aqueous solution of lead 2 nitrate as well as potassium iodide are mixed, okay, double displacement reaction takes place here. That is, there is an exchange of ions. Ions are interchanging here and we get lead iodide. This lead iodide is an insoluble compound. So it forms as a precipitate plus we get potassium nitrate. Okay. So this here lead as well as potassium displaces one another. Okay. And forms yellow precipitate of lead to iodide. This is the example for precipitation reaction. Combustion reaction. It is in page number 143. Combustion means burning. A combustion reaction is a reaction in which the reactants combines with oxygen to form one or more oxides and energy in the form of heat. So in combustion reactions, one of the reactants must be, yes, oxygen. In our day-to-day activities, combustion reactions are used as heat energy sources. For example, we use LPG gas for domestic cooking purposes. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Actually, it is a highly inflammable hydrocarbon. We get heat and flame from LPG gas. LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, is a mixture of hydrocarbon gases like propane, butane, propylene, etc. All these hydrocarbons burns with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. See here, the C3H8 is nothing but propane. When it combines with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide gas as well as water, and also heat will produce. As heat is evolved here, it is called an exothermic reaction. And oxygen is added here, so it is an oxidation. So combustion is it is otherwise called as exothermic oxidation.